A seed buried in the ground is not forgotten, it's being prepared for growth. Sometimes life feels like being buried behind the weight of disappointments, delays, or even hardship. But just as a seed is planted beneath the soil first for a greater purpose, your current situation does not mean that you are forgotten. It means that you are being prepared for growth. A seed must be hidden first before it can start to sprout. God does his greatest work in the unseen moments of our lives. So, what feels like being buried may be the beginning of a new season. Beneath the surface, roots are forming, strength is developing, and purpose is taking shape. So, don't mistake your waiting season for God's absence. Stay rooted in faith, keep trusting Him, and continue growing where He has planted you. At the right time, you will break through the surface and you will flourish. Remember, you are not buried, you are planted. Your season of growth is coming.